Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing something special because I'm going to build an entire affiliate marketing business in under 24 hours right from my office. Now I decided to make this video for you guys because I finally convinced my girlfriend to start an affiliate marketing business herself. So this video is going to be laid out in 4 very important steps, so make sure to stick with me all the way through. So step number 1, we're gonna pick a high converting product for her. Step number 2, I'm gonna build a sales funnel. Step number 3, I'm gonna write an email sequence for her so she can start making sales on autopilot 24/7. And step number 4, I'm going to show you guys how she's going to be getting traffic to her funnel. So this video is going to be awesome. So before I get started, make sure to smash the like button below. I have a goal of 500 likes for this video, and make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you guys the entire funnel and the email sequence that I'm going to create in this video. So let's get started. All right, so step number 1, picking a high converting product. And these are the things that I look out for when I'm picking one. So make sure that it's high quality, and you can do this by looking at the reviews and the feedback from the customers, right? So I'm pretty sure that you're gonna find lots of reviews about the product you're promoting online. Now the next thing that I would look out for is if the product has multiple downsells and upsells in the funnel. So I don't want to be promoting one single one-time offer, right? I just don't want to make a one-time commission. I want to make multiple commissions on the front end, on the back end, reoccurring commissions, and so on and so forth. Now the next thing that I look out for is if the product pays out high ticket commissions, right? Also, does it give affiliates resources, banners, ads, email swipes, and so on? Okay, and then I like to check if affiliates are already making money with the offer. So let me show you guys what I found and what I'm gonna go for and what I'm gonna give my girlfriend to promote. Okay, so she's gonna be promoting the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now I have decided to go this route because this is one of the best ways, and this is one of the best affiliate programs out there anyways online that you can promote. Because all you have to do is send people to this $7 15-day business builder challenge. All right, that's all you have to do. All you have to do is sell this low ticket product, and then the marketing team is going to take care of all the upselling and downselling. They're also going to close the high ticket commissions for you. So as you can see, they have low ticket products, they have reoccurring products, so as you can Legendary Marketer. Then they have a mid ticket, $1,500, and high ticket products, so $2,500, $4,500, and $9,500. So we're gonna make a lot of high ticket commissions from Legendary Marketer. So now that I have ticked all the check marks, what I want to look out for in a good affiliate program, now I want to make sure that affiliates are already making money. So I'm going to log in for you guys. I already have an account with Legendary Marketer. I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you that affiliates are already making money with Legendary Marketer. So I'm going to click on affiliates and click on the scoreboard. And as you can see, okay, this is the Legendary scoreboard. So how much people are making per month with Legendary Marketer. And as you can see, some of these affiliates have made well over 200,000. So for example, Emily Walcott has a 2x platinum rank, which means that she made 2 times $100,000. So she's made over 200K. Josh Smith has made 300K. You know, Camilla Markson 400K. So this gives me an idea that a lot of people are making a lot of money with this affiliate program, which means that it's converting. And that's why I've decided that the best product for my girlfriend would be the Legendary Marketer, because she doesn't have to do any of the selling or telling. Alright, so now that we have a product that we can start promoting, now it's time to head over to step number 2, and that is to build the actual sales funnel. So this is what a good sales funnel looks like for affiliate marketing. So as you can see, we're going to be sending traffic to an opt-in page, collecting emails. Then we are going to send them to a bridge page where we're going to build a relationship with them and recommend the actual 15-day business builder challenge, which is the Legendary Marketer affiliate product. So guys, and in the email sequence, we're going to be promoting back to the sales page. We're going to sending our traffic back to the sales page. And this is the best funnel for affiliate marketing, and I'm going to build one for my girlfriend in front of you right now. Now the tool we're going to be using to build a sales funnel and to set up the email campaign, so basically the email sequence, is called System.io. Now System.io is an all-in-one marketing tool that's going to allow you to build sales funnels, email campaigns. Let me show you guys the features, by the way. So as you can see, you can build sales funnels, you can do email marketing, you have a website builder, you can do business automation, evergreen webinars, you can even sell courses. All right, so this is an all-in-one digital marketing tool. Now they also have very affordable plans, and as you can see, they have a free plan that you can get started with to try out this method yourself. And this is more than enough to get you started. You can collect up to 2,000 email contacts and build up to 3 sales funnels. So guys, make sure to click the link below and sign up for a free System.io account. This is more than enough. The free plan is more than enough to get you started. So I'm gonna log in for you guys and I'm gonna go ahead and start building the funnel. So once you're in your System.io account, click on funnels, and here you actually create your funnels from scratch. So click on create. So now this is the place where you give your funnel a name, you connect your domain name, and you click on build an audience. So you're going to be collecting email addresses and building your list. Now guys, I already bought an email and a domain for my girlfriend. So as you can see, this is the one, Belak affiliate. So I'm going to give this a name, the legendary marketer affiliate. All right, so this is for you guys, YouTube. So this is going to be her funnel. So I'm going to click on create. Now, as you can see, there are lots of templates that we can choose from. They're pre-made, so we can just tap into them and start editing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, all right, and I'm going to pick this one. So click on select, and I'm going to start building the actual opt-in page for her. Now I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to watch this entire video, and it's not going to be like 1 hour long. So I'm going to fast forward and I'll be back to you in just a second. Alright, so this is what the opt-in page looks like. It took me like 5 minutes to create. So for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin and what's inside, discover how to start an online business that earns commissions for products that people already want to buy. So this is the page where she's going to be collecting emails, email addresses from potential customers. All right, so guys, now it's time to create the bridge page. So as you can see, this is the funnel. Now it's time to create the bridge page so she can build a relationship and recommend the actual 15-day challenge to potential customers. So let me do that. Once again, I'm going to fast forward. Okay guys, so I'm back and this took me like 10 minutes. So as you can see, this is the bridge page that I created. Let me show you guys. So congratulations, finally a proven method for making real money online. Alright, so this is the place where she's introducing herself, her name, and basically what she's recommending, the 15-day business builder challenge, and what everyone's going to learn when they actually decide to check it out. So this is the simple bridge page, and when you click on watch the free video now, this is the affiliate link, and as you can see, this is the 15-day business builder challenge. Whenever somebody comes to this page and purchases the product, she's going to make a commission for all the sales, upsells, downsells, high ticket commissions, right? So this is the funnel, guys. This is the opt-in page, and this is the bridge page. Alright, so now we have the product, we have the sales funnel. Now it's time to head over to step number 3, and that is to create the actual email sequence. Alright, so that leads us to step number 3, and that is the email sequence. So now that we have the product, we have the sales funnel, now it's time to write the email sequence, and all we have to do here is do the work once, and once we have the email sequence set up, it's going to send automated emails 100% on autopilot 24/7. So guys, now you may be asking, well, how do I write these emails? What do I write in them? Now that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, because most of these affiliate programs are going to give you the emails already pre-made. So most of the times the emails are going to be given to you by the affiliate product that you're promoting. All right, so all you have to do is reach out to them or check out their affiliate resources page, and most of the times they're going to give you the email sequence. So Legendary Marketer already has a pre-made email sequence that we can use. So as you can see, this is the one I just found it. And as you can see, let me introduce myself. This is email 1, this is email 2. All right, so wait 4 hours, email 3, and so on and so forth. So now all I have to do is copy and paste these emails into System.io. So let me show you how to do that. So head over to System.io, all right, click on emails, click on campaigns, and as you can see, these are the email campaigns that we need to create. So let's create a new campaign. All right, so Legendary Marketer, YouTube, click on Save Campaign. Let me open it, and as you can see, I'm going to click on Add Email, and the subject, I'm just going to copy it. So let me introduce myself, pics inside. I'm going to paste it inside here. This is my sender name and my sender email address. I'm going to click on Create. All right, so this is my girlfriend, and this is her. And this is her domain and email address. So I'm going to click on Create. Okay, and this is the email body. So I'm going to delete this. All right, and now I can just add, copy and paste the entire email inside here. All right, let me copy it just like this. And now I can paste it inside like this. I'm going to change the font to Verdana, and I'm going to change the font size to 14. All right, so settings, I'm going to change this to 14. I'm going to line it left just like this, and I'm going to change the background to white. This is what I like to do. So as you can see, all I have to do now is follow the instructions. So if you need to watch it again, you can, and link back to the sales page with affiliate link. So all I have to do now is delete this part. Okay, delete this, and now here I'm going to add my affiliate link. So I can make this bold, and I can change the color as well, just like this. And now I can add my Legendary Marketer affiliate link, well, my girlfriend's affiliate link. All right, right there. So once again, hi, my name is, then add your name. So this is my girlfriend's. And scroll down. Insert a picture of you showing something good, like on a beach or something. So then you can add an image of yourself. All right, just like that. And basically just follow the instructions that are given to you on the email sequence. And now, cheers, your name, and you can click on Save. Click on Exit. So once you have your email written, you have your affiliate links added and everything, you can now start adding these emails to the sequence. So as you can see, when you click on Save, this is not active just yet, so we need to publish it. So click on Publish. All right, and now you need to send this email, let's see, 1 hour after opting in. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 1 hour and click on Publish. So as you can see, whenever somebody opts in on my opt-in page, this email sequence is gonna wait 1 hour before it sends the first email. All right, so then you would just add another email, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and so on and so forth. So this is all very straightforward, copy and paste. All right, so once you have all of these emails added, now I'm not gonna add all the emails in this video, I'm gonna do it straight after because it will be way too long. But once you have all of these emails added to your sequence, now just head back to your funnel, and now we need to connect the funnel with the campaign. All right, so head over to your funnel that you have created. Now click on automation rules. All right, click on add rule, funnel step from subscribe, and now click on add action and subscribe them to the campaign that you have created just now. So as you can see, Legendary Marketer YouTube, and click on save rule. All right, just like that. Rule has been updated successfully. So now every time somebody enters their email address on this page and their name, they're going to be automatically added to your campaign, and the campaign is going to send out the emails 100% on autopilot for you. So all you have to do now is send traffic to this page, and that leads me to step number 4. How are we going to promote this funnel? So this leads me to step number 4, traffic and lead generation. So guys, this is the most important step, because you can have the best funnel in the world, you can have the best email sequence, but if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make any sales. So guys, how are we going to send traffic to our opt-in page and collect emails and start filling up our funnel with leads? So let me show you guys what other people are doing and what's working right now. So I'm gonna head over to TikTok, and guys, as you can remember, this is Camilla Markson from the legendary leaderboard. She has made over $400,000 online with the legendary marketer affiliate program by leveraging social media networks like TikTok and Instagram. So this is one of her accounts on TikTok, and as you can see, she's promoting the legendary marketer affiliate program up here, right? And she's creating short 15 to 20-second videos every single day. She's doing this on TikTok, as you can see, and she's also doing this on YouTube. So as you can see, these are her reels. Okay, so what is she doing? Let's check one of these videos out. All right, so let's check this one out. So POV, you finally started a side hustle that makes you 4K a week, but remember you wasted 12 years on a 9 to 5 and could be a millionaire now if you had to start sooner. All right, so this is the actual video with a short value post, and people read this and are enticed to take action. They're gonna close the video, they're gonna check out her profile and click the link in her bio. Let's check out another video. So you were lost 13 months ago, didn't know what to do, okay? But you came across a girl here talking about a $7 challenge that completely transformed your life. Now you have the time and financial freedom you always wanted. So as you can see, she's promoting the 15-day challenge, and yeah, that's it. These are all very simple 10-15-second videos. Anyone can create them. So guys, this is how my girlfriend is gonna be sending traffic to the funnel as well. She's gonna be not copying, she's gonna be getting ideas from these big influencers, but not influencers, marketers, and she's gonna be doing similar videos based on her story. All right, so my girlfriend is 23, she lives in Slovakia, she has a 1-year-old baby son, and she's gonna be talking about her story and recording these types of 15-20-second videos. So this is how you can make $400,000 online within 1 or 2 years. All you have to do is post consistently 3 times per day. This is not rocket science. This is what most people do, guys. This is what is working right now. Content marketing is on the next level. I mean, forget about blogging, forget about dropshipping. This is what works, and affiliate marketing is the best business model to start right now. All right, very, very low upfront costs. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video and you found value, then I want to mention that I have an affiliate marketing training program that I launched a few weeks ago. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z and start making those high ticket commissions, start making, you know, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month, or whatever your income goal is, then it's 100% possible with my online coaching program. Right, so it's very affordable. You can click the first link below this video to check that out. I mean, we already have a lot of success stories, and it's only been up for a few weeks. So guys, if you want to check that out and you want to master affiliate marketing and potentially quit your 9 to 5 job and do affiliate marketing full time, then click the first link below this video, and I would be more than happy to lead you by the hand and create a successful business with you. And also, I almost forgot, if you want the funnel that I created in this video and the email sequence, then make sure to comment down below, I want access. All right, so comment I want access below, and I'm gonna send you this exact funnel that I have created in this video, and you can basically change the image and change the text to your name and use the funnel as your own. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.